Hello everybody, we have Mr. Rajesh Goel over here with us today to talk about his journey with ASIRT. Hello sir, how are you?
Hello, I'm fine. How about you?
I'm good too. So how has been your experience with ASIRT? How long you have been a member?
I'm long since around 7, 8 years, and
Okay.
it's excellent journey. I find only this association with all verticals, whether it is surveillance, security, networking, trading, everything, and all people come together to support each other.
So the
It's
diversity of the
diversity.
fields that you get over here,
Yeah, yeah.
how does it help your business?
See, I'm having a distribution business, but I'm having many such SI partners in ASIRT who come to me with their customer. They share me their customer details. So we work closely with each other to close the deals.
Okay, okay.
So it's no afraid ki he will be taking my customer or anyone. So
The
we
trust
the
factor
trust
is there.
factor is there. A good bonding,
A
good
good bonding.
bonding.
Okay. And has it ever helped you in growing your business strategically? Like you were doing something and then somebody suggested you something, you started working on it and you saw the change in the way you work.
Yeah, it's we are just passing on that businesses. If some new requirement is there, which I am not having any expertise, my other colleague is having expertise, other SI partner. So we collaborate and work together. So even we are getting a edge over that. Our customer is having trust. Okay, he is getting solution, all the solution at one vendor. So that is the
True,
additional advantage.
true, true, true. Looking forward to having you for so many years further. Wishing you all the very best for your journey at ASIRT.
Thanks. Thanks for
Thank you for your time.